Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. And this time we will design an Uber profile screen with a menu. So let's go to the File menu, from there New, and type here Uber profile. And the width and the height would remain the same, 1080 by 1920. Click OK. So we have a document of the exact size as the last screen we designed, which was the Uber confirmation screen. We have to bring that one here to place the image only, and it would be a dimmed transparent color. And we will have a side menu. So let's bring back our old one. Go to the exercise file. From there, bring in the last screen we designed, which again is the Uber confirmation. So we have the Uber confirmation PSD. We need just a screenshot. Let's get that. See all the group layers. We don't need any layers or groups. We just need one screenshot of this. Hold down Shift, Alt, and Command. If you use Windows, hold down Shift, Alt, and Control key, and then press E from the keyboard. So in short, we will hold down all four keys: Shift, Alt, Command, and E. Then you see in the layer panel, we have one new layer, which is basically a duplicate copy of this screen, but in a single layer. So select this one and bring this one into our Uber profile and drop it here. Place it in the exact same place. Okay. So we have this screen, and while this one is selected from the layer panel, select Create New Layer from the layer panel. Click this one and fill this layer with black. Go to the Edit menu, from there Fill, and select the color. Make it total black. Click OK. Okay, so it's filled with total black. Let's press 5 from the keyboard while this layer is selected, the black color-filled layer. Press 5. How does it look? The opacity is now 50% because I pressed 5 from the keyboard. Okay, let's work on this. If we need to change it later, we can change it to 40 or 60. For now, just make it 50. Let's drag a shape. Select the rectangle from the toolbar, and from this corner, top left corner, drag a shape. Down to here, just to the top of the navigation bar, and make this one 720 by 1777. So just release it. Go to the properties. You can change it from here as well as from the option bar. So select the properties and make the width 720. And the height 1777. Press OK. Select the Move tool. So now we have this black shape that is 720 by 1777. And grab a guideline and place it here. Make sure it's aligned with the status bar. Let's see. Okay. See that our status bar is also dimmed because we placed this black filled layer here to make a transparent overlay. Okay, let's increase this to 60. and the status bar is more dimmed. So at this time, go to the last screen, the one we just made a screenshot from. From there, just copy the status bar. Select the status bar while this folder is selected. Select the Move tool and bring this one to our Uber profile. And holding down the Shift key and drop this one so it would be placed in the exact same place. So we have this one. This one does not look like the dimmed one now. See? Okay, so select the rectangle shape from the toolbar and drag a shape here. Make sure to match it with the guideline. Okay, just release it. Select the color. Select color again. Change the hex code to 0A0919. Click OK. Minimize this one. Select the Move tool and select the top, the long rectangle shape. While that layer is selected, select that one, the rectangle shape. Now go to the option bar. You can change the color now. Select color and put the same hex code that we used in the top bar. 0A0919. Click OK. Select the Move tool. So now we have the two rectangle shapes. Again, select the rectangle from the toolbar, rectangle tool. From this corner, drag a shape which height will be 245 and width the same as this shape. Okay, just release it. Select the fill color, select color, and make the hex code 232230. Click OK. Select the Move tool. Let's zoom in. See, it is not the same width as the black one. Let's do that. Press Control T or Command T from the keyboard in order to resize the shape, and take the right side corner. Yeah, it snapped back with our black shape. Click OK. So we have now another shape, and we will put a profile image, so some text and profile image. Let's place a guideline from the left-hand side and place it at 51 pixels. Zoom in. 51, release it, and I think it's moved. 51. Okay, just release it and zoom out. Select the Ellipse tool from the toolbar. Drag a shape. After dragging the shape, hold down the Shift key from the keyboard and make sure it's 124 by 124. Let's see, 124 by 124, and release it. Fill the color with gray color. It's okay, no problem, any color, because we will place an image here. Make it in the middle. Don't align with the guideline. Press the right arrow key from the keyboard while the layer is selected, and make sure that the Move tool is selected, and press the right arrow key from the keyboard. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. A few times to make a gap there between this guideline and the Ellipse tool. Press Control or Command plus 0 from the keyboard. Go to the exercise file. From there, bring the image Elizabeth Ford, JPEG. Open it with Photoshop. Unlock this one by clicking the lock icon and select the Move tool and bring this one to our Uber profile document. Drop it here. Place your image on top of the ellipse shape. the ellipse shape. So the ellipse shape is here. Her image would be just on top of that round shape. Right-click the mouse button on that image, select Create Clipping Mask. So her image would be clipped inside that round shape. Now click the Control or Command plus T while this image layer is selected from the layer panel, and resize, make it smaller. Hold down the Shift key from the keyboard. Let's resize from the bottom side and place her image in the middle. Click OK. So now we have an image of Elizabeth Ford. Select the T from the toolbar or press T from the keyboard and click here and type here, type here Elizabeth Ford and press Control or Command plus Enter in order to accept it. Select the Move tool, place her name here, go to the character panel, and let's increase the size. Increase the size to change the size to 50 pixels. The font is Helvetica, regular, and color would be white. That means hex code FFFFFF. Click OK. Let's make another shape. Select the rectangle tool from the toolbar and drag and draw a shape here. This shape height would be 260. Okay, just release it. Height is 260. Press Enter. Select the fill color, select color, and change the hex code to 171626. Click OK. Minimize this one. Let's zoom in. Press Control or Command T from the keyboard to make this the same width of the black shape. Select the Move tool. So we have another shape which is 15 pixels bigger than the last one. And now select the Elizabeth Ford text from the layer panel. Hold down Alt or Option key from the keyboard and drag this downward on this shape, the one we just created, and double click here. Type Business Profiles. Press Control or Command plus Enter in order to accept it. Place it in the middle. Press the down arrow key a few times from the keyboard. Again, while this business profile is selected, hold down Alt or Option key to make another copy of the text. Double click here and type Simplify Business Travel. Press Control or Command plus Enter. Go to the character panel. Let's change this to light. Decrease the size to 40. Let's make it 35. Okay, select the color. Select a gray color. Okay. Place this one here. Select the business profile. Select the simplified business travel. Okay, select the business profile and place it here. Let's align the business profiles with the guideline. Okay, press the left arrow key one time. Select again this Simplify Business Travel and place it here. Okay. Press the down arrow key a few times. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Let's make another shape, a rectangle shape. Drag and draw a shape here, just beside the business profile, and make it 109 by 58. Just release it. 109 by 58. 55 pixels. Select the color, fill color, select color, and make the hex code 20BAD7. Click OK. And make the radius for the corners 5 pixels. Minimize it. Select the Move tool. Make sure it's next to the business profiles. Make some space. Okay, let's zoom out. Zoom in again. Zoom in. Select the business profile, that text, and hold down Alt or Option key from the keyboard and make a new layer. Oops, didn't come. Okay, no problem. Double click on our new copy 1. Could not complete your request because of a program error. Click OK. Double click again. This time, our new copy layer selected. Type here, NEW, new. Press Control or Command plus Enter from the keyboard. Bring this new text layer top of our newly created rectangle shape. So this text layer would be visible on top of this small rectangle shape. And go to the character panel, make it smaller. Make it 40. Okay. Place new in the middle. Press the left arrow key a few times. Okay, Control or Command plus 0 from the keyboard to see how it looks. Yeah, it's going well. And now we will organize the layers in our layer panel.